Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking with me using the OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 20 and episode 17th. So, the level goal of this video is that to gain the access of the next level, you should use the setuid binary in the home directory, okay? And we need to execute it with the arguments and find out how to use that you can say the file which is in the home directory, and the password of this level can be found in the usual place, just like /etc/bandit pass, then slash and bandit id, that is bandit 20. And after that, after you have used the setuid binary, okay, there is no problem. First we need to find how to execute the file. So first of all, let's sign in the server ssh-p, then specify the port number, then bandit 19 at the rate, and if you are wondering that how I am doing this thing on my phone, then you can use termux. You can say it gives a Linux environment, or you can say you can perform some basic operations using this. So I have already copied the previous level password, so when I will give this, then press enter, then we will get into the server. There is not a big deal. So I already made video upon termux, so you can watch that to understand what termux is and how you guys can do this in your device. Okay, so here you can see there is a file, so we need to see what are the permissions of the file. So first, if we see, this is okay, so this the read and write is given to bandit 20 and the group is bandit 19, so that's why it is executable from bandit 20, but it is in the group of bandit 19, so we can see that also. So for checking the ID, we can see for now everything is for bandit 19, 19 and bandit 19. Okay, so if we go ahead and since it's a executable file, so we can give the like this bandit 20-2, and let's say if we give this command, yes, it's working and it give me something which is different from the previous one. Here we can see the EUID, which is saying that this will be executed as bandit 20, but this is in the group of bandit 19th, as I told. So simple the thing is that here, if the things are going like as you can see, like now we have found that how to use this file. Now we just have to use the command like how to get the password. So for that we will use ./bandit 9 it's 20 -do, then cat, and then this one, then cat bandit _pass, then bandit 20. The spellings should be right. bandit./cat. Okay, so what this is doing, we already know that what are the read and write permissions under which group it is coming, so we just need to execute the file. So for that we are using this dot and slash command, then we are giving the file name so that which file should be executed, then we are using the cat command, which you already know, which is used to read the files what is inside that file, then we are specifying the location, or you can say the path where the password is stored for this level. So when we will press enter, there is some spelling mistake, guys. Bandit 20. Now we got the password for the next level, which is here, from this to this. So as you can see, this was a easy room. You just need to understand how to use the file or whatever the things which are inside the server. Then you can manipulate that server and you can use that server to understand how in reality hacking works. So this was just another room for understanding how hacking and basic command lines or fundamentals of the Linux. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye. Regards, Trend Hive Academy.